Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a dessert. Its origin dates back to ancient times, where it was a savory dish. But over the centuries, it evolved into the sweet dessert we enjoy today. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as pudding, pudding, ding, pudding. Pudding is often enjoyed as a comforting dessert after dinner or as a sweet snack. It's a popular choice for family gatherings and can be made in a variety of flavors to suit any occasion. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about pudding, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.